In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload photos to Pinterest. So let's get started right away, because this is actually super easy. So yeah, all you basically have to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Then just click on the plus icon and click on create pin. Right here, you can either click on this and open up a file, or you can also drag and drop a file right there. So this is just a random photo I had on my PC. I'm just going to give it a title, so I'm just going to name it something like wallpaper. And then you can also add a description if you want to, and a link to a website or something like that. Now you have to select where you want to save it. So you have to create a board if you haven't already. And since I don't have one, I'm just going to click on create board and name it. I'm just going to name it background. And then you can either, you can also choose to keep this board secret, or or leave it on that everyone can see it on public. I'm just going to leave it on secret, and then just going to click on create. Now we have created that board, and we're going to save it just like that. And as you can see, we have now saved the board, so we can click on see it now. And as you can see, the wallpaper should be right here. And yeah, this is it. So it's currently not, okay, it's loaded now as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.